Good morning.
There's just been a geocache published. We're gonna go for the FTF. Let's go! Go, 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 go!
Yes! Yes!
FTF!
Yes! Alright, lady.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is like 10:30-ish, and there's just been a geocache published close to us.
Yes.
It hasn't been found yet, so we're gonna go for the FTF for the first time.
I'm gonna try it.
Yes, let's go!
Come, lady. Do we have the car key?
Go, 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 go. Oh. It's like less than 3 k's from our house. We're gonna try. It's been, when was it published this morning? I wasn't awake yet when it was published.
I think it was actually published at 8:30-ish.
Oh yeah, and it's now 10:30.
It would be our first FTF. Go, go, go for gold, lady, go for gold. Come on, lights, come on. Go, 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 go. Morning traffic, oh dear. Stay green, stay green, stay green.
Okay, now I'm gonna need your help.
Okay, you go left. Please don't be a geocacher. Gonna go, how do you say that?
Muggle about.
Yeah. Oh, duckies. Muggle is leaving.
Muggle's leaving.
Oh, that's nice, lady. Come, go, lady. Oh, we're gonna score our first FTF. Found it. Found it.
Our first FTF.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully, lady. How are you even gonna get up there, though?
Come on, go get it. Go get it. Stand on the railing and then lean across. And you're what, almost 6 foot? Yeah. And you still can't get that. Go home and get the step ladder. Just be careful. Yes. Be careful. Yay! Come on, let's open it. Let's see if we have the FTF.
Please. Oh,
What the heck? Whoa, what the heck? Oh, he wrote all of this out.
Ah.
Lol. Cute. But let's look at the log.
Yes! Yes!
FTF!
Yes! Here we go.
So ladies and gentlemen, after a year and a half of geocaching, we got our first FTF. It's actually also the first FTF we've ever gone for.
We were actually talking about it the other day. When we lived like more central to in Auckland, we already got like maybe 1 or 2 new geocaches every month. And since living here, we haven't had a new geocache.
That was within a good enough distance to go for an FTF.
Yeah. So yeah, but this is our first.
Finally, our first FTF.
And now it's gonna be hanging it back. Ready?
Go.
Oh, wrong. Ready?
Yeah, go. Take it. In the corner. Down you come. Nice.
All for that one shot. Lady, 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 lady. Yes, Joshua the geocaching vlogger, this is what we do for you. Go to the middle! Oh, Steve is hurting me. Go, lady, go. Go, lady, go. Go, lady, go. And now we need to hurry up. Yes, coming, lady, coming. Coming, lady, coming, lady, coming, lady.
Here's how things should have gone. Celebrate responsibly, people. I can't believe we got it though.
Yeah, who would have thought? Trash can.
Duck, duck, duck. Goose.
If a goose is cold, she get goosebumps. Go, lady, go. Go, lady, go. Dumbass. Get in and drive. That was our first FTF, lady.
It was awesome. Now we're gonna go hunting for more.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
If you did, we
definitely
really did. Yeah.
Yes.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, down here.
Yeah, down there. The subscribe button is there.
Yes.
No.
And yes, it is. And so is the like button, like here somewhere. The subscribe button's over in that corner. Let us know if you were the FTW. First to watch on our first to find video. Make sure to like this video if you did like it. Leave us a comment down below. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when we upload. And we will see you in our next video.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.